Today, I want to talk to you about this portable power station by EHOM. This thing is super duper cool. So you charge this thing up. It has fast charge capabilities. You can charge up to 80% of the battery in about 40 minutes, which is insane. A full charge will be right around 1 hour and 15 minutes or so. So super duper fast charging capabilities. You got this really nice LCD screen right here up front. You have 10 different plugins on this thing here. You have your normal 12 put, I call it the cigarette lighter. You have 12 volt little plugins here on the side. USB-C chargings, 100 volt, you got 2 of them, and a USB-C 18 volt, you have 2 of them as well. This thing does come with an app you can download to help control your power station. It comes with Bluetooth to work seamlessly with your app. Over here, you get a flashlight. This thing's absolutely just loaded with features. Super duper cool. On top of this thing, wireless charging pad. Insane. Over here to the back side, you got your 2 normal 120 volt plugins. And over here underneath this tray, that's your solar input, because this thing can use has solar charging capabilities as well. Another AC input for 100 volts, overload protection, and a little place for the ground. And this thing's super duper cool because it actually has a little bit of storage on the bottom as well. There's 2 laps you drop off, and this pulls right up, and bam, you got a little bit of storage. With this one right here, it has your 2 cords here, whether it be your 12 volts, so you can charge this in your car, or your regular plug-in for your house. Those fit beautifully. Sit right underneath here, and they're gonna stay dry. This thing does have a waterproof rating. I believe it's IBX3. So whenever you're hiking with this, or you get stuck in a rainstorm or something, you don't have to worry about it shorting out. You don't have to worry about it damaging. This thing is gonna be very durable. It does have drop protection, fully safely to drop to 1.5 meters, which is gonna be, unless you're holding it above your head, 1.5 meters drop protection is gonna be great here. So this thing is just absolutely loaded with features. Decent weight, easy carrying handles here. LCD screen, on-off button. I mean, absolutely loaded with features here. In my opinion, this is gonna be the best power station I've ever used that's on the market. Yeah, awesome device right here. EHOM power station, go get you one. So the power supply also comes with a fully functional app. With the app here, you're able to dictate what you want turned on, what you want turned off, and it'll also show you the power states here. So I have my little headphones here. We're gonna go ahead and charge. We're gonna start with the USB-C charger. Plug that in. You can see not charging, no power to it. But once I turn it on here, let's see here. Is that one right there? Oh, that was the one in the back. There we go. Now once I turn that on, it's instantly going to start charging these. Notice the red dot there. And it shows up here. You can see that we're charging. Oh look, wireless charger on. The wireless charger is on, connected and charging. We have some wattage coming out on the headphones too. We're gonna go ahead and move it to the other USB device so you can see. Charging very well. Registers right up on the app. And of course you have the power supply in the back. Oh, that one we gotta turn on. So we gotta turn on our power supply in the back. And now that we have it turned on, you can see that it's also charging the headphone case here. So everything is fully functional with the app here. Whether it's the wireless charger, any of these charging ports, the charging port in the back, everything's completely done by the wireless app here. And also, it'll show you how much time. I could charge for 20 hours on the current devices. 20 hours is an incredibly long time. So this is a great power source. Works great out here. Wireless charger. You can charge up to 10 devices at once and work them all seamlessly with the app. Great product.